Name the 4 different types of purification that a person with heavy negative karma can do in order to change their habits to stop more damage to themselves and others. What? What's Guya Samaya? Oh. Yeah, very good. Samayavajra. Samayavajra is a deity that purifies your broken commitments of Tantra and to your Guru, because it's very heavy to karma. Very, very heavy. You usually think, but I have faith in my Guru. I have his picture on the altar. I make offerings to him. That's not your Samaya to your Guru. Your Samaya to Guru is don't lie. Don't say harsh words. Don't say words that divide friends, divide people, divide. Separate them. Don't say words that deceive. And the highest one is to tell people you have attainments when you don't. That is taking refuge in your Guru and Guru Samaya. When you do any of that and you break it, you've broken your Guru Samaya. Does your Guru want to do that? Want you to do that? Definitely not. So if you steal, if you beat, and you commit sexual discrepancy, what is that? When you're with one partner and you cheat on your partner with another partner. Very bad. You break your Guru Samaya. Completely you break your Guru Samaya. Why? From doing that, you take rebirth as an animal. Did the Guru teach you teachings to take rebirth as an animal? No. So when you kill, steal, and commit sexual misconduct, cheating on your partner, forcing another person, using extra normal means to seduce people, using blackmail, using lies to seduce and use people, that is sexual misconduct. Sex is not allowed. It is allowed, but there's a way to do it that doesn't create negative karma. Then you don't have refuge in your Guru. You should take your Guru's picture down or your Buddha's picture out and lock it up. Why? When people see you do like that, of course they don't have faith. And you create negative name for your lineage, for your practice, for your Guru. That is the worst. And not just that, it creates unhappiness, doubt, fighting, and no one will trust you again. Actions from the body. That's Guru devotion. That's Guru Samaya. That is the real Guru Samaya, not putting pictures and praying to them and making offerings. That's nothing. Nothing. The real Samaya is keeping your vows. Anger. Doing actions out of anger and increasing it and not controlling one's anger. Not doing practices that release and let go of your anger. Desire. You wake up, you want this, you want this, you want this, you want this, you want this. I want this, I want this. You wake up, I want bubbly, I want bubbly, I want bubbly, I want bubbly. I want car, I want, all the time. You wake up, you go to sleep, I want all day, I want. Me, I want. You don't do practices to curb it. You don't do practices to hold it. You don't do purification practice to lessen it. And you just indulge in everything you want again and again. And then you use negative methods to get it. You've broken your Samaya of the mind. To your Guru, to your Yidam, to your Dharma protectors. Broken. That's the real Samaya. That is the real Samaya. Don't BS people. Don't BS yourself and fool yourself. The real Samaya is holding the refuge vows and offering that to your Guru every day. At the end of the day, you think, yes, I've held it. And then you think what I've done wrong, and you do meditations. If you regret, really regret, and repent. If you really regret, repent, you won't do it again. If you say, I'm sorry, you do it again and again and again. Your practices will be ineffective. No 3 jewels will support negative action, good or bad. Impossible. Then, jealousy. Cannot be happy for another person. When they're happy, you want to do everything to destroy them. If you see someone good, you want to destroy them. If they didn't give you what you wanted, if they didn't do what you wanted, you want to destroy them. You want to get revenge on them. You want to hurt them. You want to find ways to hurt their mind. You're jealous. You're very jealous. So when you're jealous, what happens is the karma that's collected immediately will, but whatever you get, you cannot feel satisfaction. You'll be burning all the time, burning. You cannot feel. It'll push you to do more and more and more negative actions. It'll push you to hurt more and more people, damage more and more people, get more and more revenge on people, and more till you meet someone who will get you back. Oh yes, they'll get you back. Don't always think that what you see is what you get. Some people, they have powerful connections. Some people, they have very powerful connections. They just make a little report on you. You will never know. End of you. Don't play with fire. Don't play with fire. Some people have powerful connections here and there. And you may have hurt 20, 30 people and they don't know anybody. But you will definitely run across someone that will get you back. Why? Not everybody out there is soft and nice or stupid. Oh, definitely. I've heard of cases where people looked at people's wives and they're, just look. They just go to a place, look. The people will send people to break their legs. Broken. And some more go to harass their mother, harass their father, and scare the old people. Many times I heard, you know, they don't come to me, they go to my parents. They make me lose face, my parents worry, they don't know what happened. They go to my parents. I've heard many cases before. You can ask Cha. He's with me all the time through these interviews. Many, many times. For years now I've been listening. And I tell the people, they say, how do I get them back? Give me some magic seafood. Give me something, protect me. How? Compassion and forgiveness, huh? Some leave, some listen more. Why? Their anger, their jealousy. Jealousy creates all your harm. So when you're jealous and you let it go and you don't do things to cut it down, to control yourself by vows, commitments, holding something sacred, you believe in your Guru, you believe in Buddha, you believe it, you hold your vows, that will cut down your jealousy. If that cannot, and you create harm for yourself, by karma, it will definitely come back. And that karma will manifest in someone in the future, hurting you, getting you, blackmailing you, cursing you, spelling and hexing you. Always. I know from experience. It's not something I just read. Be careful. Cut down jealousy, all that goes away. All that will go away. Definitely will go away. And they do purification practices. Real ones. I promise you, you'll be light. You'll be very light. I promise you. And you'll have wonderful dreams. We'll talk about another time. Real dreams that are indicated in the scriptures for normal people like us will experience of purification. So be careful. Don't bring harm to yourself again and again and make your mind unhappy and worry and covering yourself. Don't bring harm to yourself physically from people who one day will get you. They won't tell you. Very quiet. And don't bring trouble to your family. Be careful. If you love them, you will stop doing negative actions. The karma will come. You think about it. You think about the logic. Jealousy is the cause, not people. Jealousy makes you do actions that create you harm. So those 10 vows that we have, 4 of the speech, 3 of the mind, 3 of the body, those 10 vows are what we promise Lord Buddha. Very simple. And you know what? Even you don't take those vows, we should follow that anyway. Because if you don't follow that, I didn't take the karma, so I didn't take the vows, I don't get negative karma. Don't be ridiculous. I didn't take the vow not to kill, so if I kill, it's good karma. What? I didn't take the vow, Nini, you took the vow, so no, you took the vow, it's heavier karma. But still, if you kill, it's very bad karma. Some people come like that. I didn't take the vow, what? I'm safe. I look at them and say, oh my God. I just think of them in debates. Take it seriously. That's why I say it's all interconnected. That's why I like to give very simple teachings that tell you the broad spectrum of the Dharma, how it's interrelated. So if you can practice this, we'll talk about something more. You want Vajrayogini teachings? Sure, I can give it to you. Are you qualified to get it? Are you ready to get it? Do you have the foundation? If you don't, Lama and disciple both go to somewhere with no aircon. Very simple. And to read Dharma texts, secret tantric practices without permission, and not initiation, you create the karma, you can never practice that and get results. Never. That's why there's a seal on it. It's not secret because you're not allowed. It's secret because it'll be always secret from you because you don't practice well. That's why it's secret tantra, secret mantra.